अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। 6 in which the theorem 6 and theorem 3 are almost same. The bisector of triangle angle of triangle are concurrent. Mean any triangle whose angles, when we bisect angles at meet at a point, they are called concurrent. And given is we have triangle ABC, and proof is the bisector of A, B and C are concurrent. Mean bisector of A, B and C meet at a point, and construction is draw the bisector of angle B and C first, B and C first, and they meet at each other at I, which intersect at point I. From I draw IF perpendicular to AB and ID perpendicular to BC, and then we prove it. ID is equal to IF and IF is equal to IE. Similarly, so ID is equal to IF and IF is equal to IE, so ID is equal to IF. So the point I is on the bisector of angle A. Also the point I is on the bisector of angle ABC and angle BCA. Thus the bisector of angle A, B and C are concurrent at I. This is the theorem 12.1.6